kapuso, karong buntaga, makauban nato ang nag-champion sa gipahigayon nga Indak Indak Sa Kadayawan 2022. Back-to-back ang ilahang kadaugan kay nag-champion usab sila last 2019 karon sa gipahigayon ng wahing in-person celebration sa Kadayawan. Help me welcome the head choreographer sa Sindac Anib, Mark Hinko. Good morning, Mark. Kumusta?
Good morning. A little bit also po. Pasensya gamay sa ako ang voice po. And all is well po. Medyo gloomy ang weather this week, but all is fine.
Una sa tanan, Mark, congratulations. How does it feel nga back-to-back ang inyong kadaugan sa Indak Indak Sa Kadayawan?
Including me, our performers, and the whole team, medyo dili pa na masingkin nga. Really, we did back-to-back champion for Kadayawan because Sir Kadayawan is Jandy. Kadayawan is a very big and prestigious festival po in the Philippines and in Mindanao, and to have a back-to-back is a very unforgettable memory sa amin lahat.
Mark, aron masayran sa atuang mga kapuso viewers, unsa inyong preparation sa pagpangandam? Pila ba ka bulan o simana ang gigahin ninyo aron nga inyong mapangandaman ang winning performance?
I've been ginabalik-balik na ko during my mga interviews. Nagduha-duha jud may kapil this time, especially nag-pandemic and wala nagsugod pa ang klase, so murag naglisod may gather estudyante, our performers, and of course our old performers graduate na, so meaning from scratch talaga kami, from back to zero talaga kami, sir. We have to train new dancers, we have to train new instrumentalists, tanan po pala sa team. We have to really train to back to zero, as in from the start talaga. So mo po ang naka-challenge na mo, especially the finances po sa LGU, especially ang mga budget na to karon is na-realign the pandemic response. So medyo wala kaming budget na pagkunan, but still we pangitanggap na mo maag. We are very thankful talaga sa aming school and sa LGU po, sa Sindac LGU. We only mounted our production for 2 weeks talaga. Dalawang linggo lang.
Unsa ba ang kalahian sa inyong dance routine karon ug kaniadto nga wala pa ang pandemic?
Last time we focus on tribal adaptation, but during the meeting for the Kadayawan 2022, we are given the freedom for ng committee to really adapt kahit ano, parang di na nila nilimit creativity namin. That's why we focus more on now on contemporary na approach po sa mga choreographies namin, unlike before. And as concept po, we really did a research po kasi we need to be aligned with the theme for Kadayawan 2022, which is Kasikas. So yun po, nag-archiving kami, nabasa kami ng mga literature about making noise, about may remaking, about the use of kalatong po to drive away animal. So yun po yung in-incorporate namin sa sayaw namin ngayon. And sa nakita po ninyo sa aming tamong sayaw during the Kadayawan, this time is medyo lahigid siya og approach. Medyo pagka-modern ang iyang mga steps. Ang choreography, we add some modern po, unlike before.
Unsa sa tan-aw nimo, Mark, ang nag-stand out sa inyong performance?
Is let them feel good, and the emotion is very, very, very important. In fact, sir, as matter of fact, among isakripisyo ang among chance to win the best mask. So mas gipili na mo nga mag-wear na lang ni og mask na walay decoration kaayo, clear. Kung inyo mabantayan sa among performance last time sa Davao is that we use a clear mask. Nahadlok if we wear a mask na decoration makatabon sa among sa naong sa dancer. Mahadlok mi nga dili ma-emphasize ang concept because our production, our choreography, our concept really needs or really requires emotion facial expression po. I think diha po mini bawi or diha po mini nakapa nga mas stand out ni among other groups. Kasi actually nahirapan talaga kami this time kasi ang rami talagang magagaling.
Lastly, mensahe ni mo Mark sa tuwang kapuso viewers sa Mindanao nga mi suporta o mitutok sa inyong performance.
Very rare na oportunidad. Imagine back po ay we are aiming for a 3-peat win po sa sunod na taon. I hope ihatag yan po natin. And we would like also to thank our local government unit of districts and the state council and the provincial government of Surigao del Sur, our congressman, or our governor, Mentel, for really helping us po, making it to Davao.
Daghang salamat Mark for sharing your time dinhi sa At Home with GMA Regional TV ug sa makausap pa, congratulations!